na me who, na me self lazy goose. What time here, na me move. Three swap I sell ludu. What time here, na me move. Radio be swagum. Charlotte tiny do, who to me do cry me. What time here, na me who, na me self lazy goose.
How does she do this with hip hop?
I do hip hop.
With jazz,
everything.
with R&B.
It's my only dance move, guys. I'm pleading for dancing lessons. No one is minding me, so I'll continue to embarrass my guys over here, okay? So, yes, we are, of course, here bringing you everything you need, but right now, I mean, this is Jason's favorite part of the show.
Yeah, because it's all about rap. It's all about music, of course. And what we do is, I say this every single week, we're giving artists the platform, express themselves, get the music out there. And after they come and they rap and they battle it out, I mean friendly competition, we give them a chance to put out their social media handles where you can support their music. So if you do know this artist, tell someone to tell someone. Or if you have any artists who you want to be on the show, get at me, get at DJ Verosky, get at Miss Drew, get at MX Beats, everywhere, MX24. Just talk to us, and you just might see your favorite up-and-coming artists on the show.
Of course we do. So, Verosky, drop that beat.
Woo! Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out.
Yeah.
It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth.
Okay.
Bring them out, bring them out.
Ready.
Bring them out.
Bring him out.
All right. Okay. All right.
Coming live from the VIP, heard the nightlife, house life, where that
He's
mean.
ready. Okay. Cool. What's your name?
Young West.
Young West.
Can I take it up?
It's okay. And you?
Delusion.
Delusion.
So Neon West.
Young
Neon
West and Delusion.
Delusion.
And Delusion came with energy. This is what happens all the time. The ones with the most energy are the ones that lose. So I'm going to pick you today. I'm joking.
Okay, so
I'm gonna
what we
pick
do
you
is,
today.
when we have rappers on the show, Miss Drew, as always, ladies first, she picks her artist, and I give my artist, then they battle it out. It's all fun support, right? But I still win. So,
Really?
yeah, that's all that
You
counts.
didn't win last week or the week before.
Verosky,
Okay.
our judge.
Okay.
Tell us what you're looking for.
What are you looking for?
You can take the mask. Let me see your face. Okay, you got a little mustache. And what about you? You got a little beard. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
Delusion.
Okay. So let me just set the rules before we start. So today we have just 2 rounds.
Okay.
He's not your friend. He's not your brother. Go for him. I
Yeah,
mean,
Bob.
it's a rap battle. Show us what you've got. If you have to be a bit violent, try to be violent.
Hey.
Well, it's good for the rap game, you
Only
know.
for here.
So no swear words,
Nope.
because you're on TV, and come with your game, like your A game. So basically just that.
Verosky, who's going first?
So who's going first? Who's going first? Who's going first?
So who's going first?
You decide.
Okay, get closer.
All right, let's go
get
first.
closer,
Come on.
Get closer.
Twice in a row. Yeah. Listen. T. Small boys need to me all the best. Kwabna mention me before because you won't like it if I vest. The cranium and the men can walk. Man, with your bone, I better I share. Watch it. The book can be all correct. Yeah. T. Hit a nigga twice in a. Yeah, T. Pay myself and family home. Miss if I know they like myself, matter. Men pay me once him. Says Bob and Amada. Pure street boy. But me drip pesa dada by a fear war boy. So friend me be sesika. Me John boy. Me coin wa. Me fi bully bum boy. Me ni ambria mera come. As a matter of fact, me knew bia. I don't really got no choice. All the weeds are for cool. Well, I'm proud to see I did it by myself with the help of the most tight. I did reminisce the bad energy from a couple and I didn't stop cause I got a full sight. Same niggas up in the feelings, I cut them off. What you really wanted wasn't my happiness, don't lie. Man, it's all good, I'm doing fine. I don't really want no friends, I had enough of the bad guys. Bugger piss off.
Okay. Are you ready to go in? Let's do this right now. Let's go.
Big machine of us wine on them.
What's the wine on?
Come a double shit. The super fly boy. Listen, Bema and a wine. A rapper no rapper saying on any wine. Your team for me will be at the finish line. Until your tongue was a race, the winner where we can. We'll try and what I need to find. Until we'll be to know for some say one sign. And just a man who only feel pine. The real man, the girl knows I am a buy straight from the front line. Flow near Dia made us a one sign. I didn't see me muting when it is a dime. So for the sake of check up on my pan time. We'll pay me, I will bet and I can't time. But still, we'll bet try the rest in peace. Do a man at 2 or what in 6 feet. Cause you have a car into pieces. Me know we are trust me. You can stand on your feet.
Okay.
I'll be the best and you know that. And yes, I baby game itself, yeah, you know that. Tell the big body girl, say make you pull over. Forget it, let's talk about the Range Rover. Flow, nigga, tell you who better than there. Relax, sedate you, who be feeling benze. Catch them a rapper band, crowd, and then say, and 7 of my shot, they said, I bet what I said.
Okay. I like the energy from both
I
of
just
y'all.
gave this one to you.
I mean, all right, let's just do this right now. You're going first. What word are you giving?
Okay, I'm going to give a word because I'm like Baroski said, we're loving the vibe right now. So the word is energy.
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 All right, so today,
It's not
because
hard,
we have
it's
just
easy.
2 rounds, you're going to go with your freestyle, like go like at him for like 30 seconds. Then after that, you have Miss word.
Oh,
So
okay.
you go with your round, then you insert energy
You
into
see?
the freestyle, right?
You get it?
Cool. So we need to hear a lot of
Freestyle
energy.
with the word energy. The person who uses the word energy the most is going to win. So Yanko.
All right, let's do this.
Hey, oi, oi.
DJ Masha, no, what's a fine or no? Okay, so, righty, Muhumo was a one name in your pet. Because that can be by a mafia, the Yada Mambo pet. Jamaica was a one name in the set. Must be this would be who such a dear. Katana said, what to mean your pepper, so dramatic, it was a benabit here. Bass on bass, flow the families of tracks. I got for myself in the stars. Michael Lemus, I believe what I got in the giddy. But I've relaxed, we get up and he was smoking cigars. I'm trying to Bugana on the map, put him in your drink before relax. God damn it, these niggas still don't get it. I be the owner, I don't need any permits. So you must show you are feeling astonished. I don't give it. What you say, you and I know said the boy is insane. Energy. Wow. And
It's
Yeah.
okay.
No, so I think he was now warming up into the energy style, right? I mean, can we just give him 30 seconds to do
Let's
energy?
just give 30 seconds.
All right, let's do
Yeah.
energy for 30 seconds.
Energy.
Okay,
30
energy.
seconds.
energy, dear, I'm energy, dear, I'm the same. Catch me, Bama Bana, one name is energy. Same, shadow watching it, kept up watching. I bet you, me better, then be energy. Okay, baby, tell me what you really want to do. Papa could be put a trigger for you, one to. Put a trigger for you, one to. Energy, now made a banner. Send my bobo, no. Catch me, energy, one on name is no. Whoa.
All right,
Come ça. Okay.
all right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah.
1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2.
Yeah.
What got the claim energy? You in my category. Yon. Tie. Kowari muntashi me be lecture when yinante montana say hatamfo no we munchoki the job go my pimp mum si ahye 2021 no slacking every client to get to start paying at least 1 Benz 1 house 1 billion oh yes I'm just praying have a could do's and don'ts no slave queens in my DM and by force I kai last time for them all window shopping this year we go come plus door in padika lu jai rough in crane here 101 bobra obese jot banku about with the punch I eat the baby and go mo 4x4 me that say don't try me me the mic bubu ba ma osia fem kelalo me hair won kai me man the body nisho watiashi catch your mommy say me see enye mumbo ma waso na min jai mo e se class e kra we me dey ma say ma incense frank am na kim
Okay. Oh man, that was fire.
I mean, this one is difficult.
That was
I mean,
fire.
That's why he
I don't even know what to
chose
say
him.
now. So let's just do this. All right. So let's do this. The last one. Let's do this.
All right, back to back,
Okay.
head to head.
Stop.
All right.
Okay, let's settle this right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Wow. Chee. Befa. Comment double new shit. Wow. Listen. Show. Wumba masi mame power set. What am I so damn dull? Wumba show one boom a bem. And that's a coffee mabo ball. And Casapi, I got it for Bube to be the Bajana show. When no Casabaka from Cosabuja for the coffee and pelt. Go da, you mean polite out and I take and I tell a big party guys to pull over the dance for the give us a jet to over you know so I don't want to be local. It must be more than Range Rover. Every single day, we visit the Bruno, but some of our could be some of the images of Bruma. Damn, or somebody fan, or say, damn, wow.
All right.
Okay.
Come on. That's my guy right there.
Okay.
Make mama proud.
Yeah.
Yanko.
Yeah, DJ Viroski, you got the heat. Man, I'm loving this beat. Hey, you got a heat. Yeah, I'm loving the beat. T. This is the life I live. 247 on the streets. I'm feeling the heat. Twice in a row. Yeah, listen. Yeah, this is the life I live. 247 on the streets, bro. I know if you day inside, they come back me. I'm for work, bro. The illegal things that they do. No be from a hot door, but whether rain or shine, man for eat, I know they pay roll. Nobody they pull me on, nobody they owe me. I just the dress wall on the road for pocket mini shade. Nyami and nyami fault or Brandon and mama you say. If you get mommy then poppy, don't compare yourself to me with different boy. You never gonna know how I feel. Everything mess up, you can't separate the fiction and bro. I keep it gangster. If you said mama me and I go fail, but what's the point in failing again when life has already failed me?
Yeesh. That one was deep. I felt that in the heart. That was a real story.
Go and feel it. Go and feel it.
That one, you see, the difference was because this one was a personal story that now.
Miss Drew, why are you explaining already?
Okay,
Like, why are you
I was
explaining
telling you
that?
why my guy
I mean,
deserves
they're
the crown.
both great rappers. Like, I really
Yeah,
love
definitely,
them, but
definitely.
I have to give it to him. I mean, the third round, you started a bit slow. I don't know if you were trying to get your lyrics together and all that. It was deep, but I just have to give it to him.
Oh
Yeah.
wow! You
How does the winning
team?
team look like?
It
Yeah,
looks
we
short.
look good, right?
But
I
you
mean,
know
you're all
what?
winners because
You
I mean, I
did
couldn't
well.
choose after 2
You
rounds.
did good.
yeah,
You
yeah,
did
definitely,
good.
definitely,
All right.
definitely.
So give us your social medias where we can find you and follow you. That's your camera.
On Instagram, I'm Neon WST. That's Neon West without an E. Neon WST.
Neon
Facebook
WST.
is Neon West. Twitter is Neon WST2. And then I have songs on Audio Mag, Neon West, Apple Music, Spotify, everywhere.
Yep.
You can stream my song. Thank
So
you.
make sure you stream his songs.
Please stream that
Okay.
music.
And
Please support
Delusion.
it.
Obviously, you are the crown today.
Yeah, I go by the name DEELUTION, and I'm on all social media network. Just search me DEELUTION. That's all.
Give us a fire
all.
30 seconds.
That's all. That's all.
Your social medias where we can find you.
Yeah, I'm Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere.
Beautiful, beautiful. All right, cool. Last 30 seconds to show them why they should follow you. Yanko, baby, come here. No, you. Go. You have 30 seconds.
Paul,
Yeah.
DJ Machine, what's it wine no? Chee! Bet fat. Chee! Bet fat. Chee! Tie. What time I can't show what draws me ha. Bema and why me seat pin ha. Bema and why me seat pin ha. Okay. Listen, we started from the bottom and we heading to the top. Now me coming home, so tell me how can I flap? Your girlfriend just came, sit on my lap, or say me fan channel. Of course the laugh, or say what about me home buying just a condom. Me you see that me pen and me say me pe champion. Or say me body boss who swear they will me big boss. Do you know I'm talking of the most high God? Or see your baby me home buying just a shampoo. Woo! The machine was a wine on it.
And that, of course, was our 5 minutes of fame, guys. If you have a friend or family or anybody that you know deserves to be here, send us a message in our DMs. But for now, we're going for a quick break, and we'll see you after this.